you lovely people of the internet. My name is Ollie, or the Sierra Mystify, as I have apparently decided to call myself. And today I'm going to be showing you a time lapse of me painting a mural on the wall that's behind the camera right now in this room. So, yeah, let's just get on with it. Alright, so here we go. So as you can see, I've started to use a pencil, just like a regular mechanical pencil, to start sketching out the design that I'm going to put on this wall, which is kind of, I guess, the typical black drips on pastel that kind of goes along with the Pastel Goth style. I don't know why, I don't know where it came from, but I fell in love with it for some reason. So I decided that it's good enough to put on my wall. And so this is my art room, so I call it. It's also a guest room, but I have my desk in here and I have all my supplies in here, and my mom let me decorate it however I wanted, and so I was like, that's a dangerous power to give me, but I will use it to the best of my ability. And so I decided to basically make this it's very hard. It's going to be very, very hard to paint over this probably when we move, but here we are anyway. So another interesting thing about this project is that you'll be able to tell as we move through with how much my hair changes color and length throughout this process, that it took quite a while for it to be finished. And that isn't because it's really complicated or it was hard for me to do or it took a long time. It was just really just life just kept happening over and over again. It would just be, I would be working on it for a few days straight. I would get a good amount of it done, and then something would come up where somebody's staying in this room, needs to use it as a guest room, and it usually ended up being kind of a thing where I gotta get this done before this room needs to be used as a guest room again, and it never really got done before then, so I'd have to put the room back together for a little while. And, it definitely made the process difficult, but hey, it's done now. And also, it's been a long time since it's been done, and since I'm actually making this video a thing, also because life happened, because it's very hard for me to find time to work on personal projects since I'm currently going to art school. So yeah, my hair is red now. Surprise. Kind of red pink thing, I don't know. So in terms of this video itself, this is my first time trying to use Premiere Pro, and I recorded it on my iPhone, and I do have a pretty nice microphone that I'm using now to do this voiceover, but I don't really know how to use it. So, but anyway, this is just a starting point for me. And as far as what I want to create, I have a lot of ideas in mind, and I might also put up some videos of me performing. I like to sing and whatnot, so there's that too. But I'd like to do some art videos and that sort of deal, and then I don't know, I have a lot of different things that I'd like to do, but so little time, So it's really hard to say how often I could upload if I start doing this, but I will say I just made a joke today that at the time of me recording this voiceover, I was just told today that starting now all my college classes are going to be online, and that kind of sucks when you want to do critiques and you want to get shown different techniques by your instructors and things like that. When it comes to art, it's not the easiest thing to do. But anyways, so I made the joke that, well, the world is ending I can't go outside. I can't go to my classes. What a wonderful time it would be to try and become a YouTuber. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. I'm gonna try. And, oh, also, this is important. I have an Etsy store where I sell stickers that I designed, I drew out, and I cut them out. Not I have a Cricut. I have a cutting machine that does it, but it's all done by me. And it was another project that I was super duper excited for, but it hasn't really gone too well. But really, I'd really appreciate it if you would check it out, see if you like anything. I would totally appreciate your support. Support my education, support me as an artist, all that good stuff. I'll probably have it as a link in the description, or however any of that works. I don't even know. I'll figure it out as I go. But yeah, anybody who wants to check it out, please do. I'm pretty happy with some of the stuff on there, with pretty much all of it. So yeah. In terms of what I'd like to do with this channel, for one thing, I think it's important for artists nowadays to have an internet presence. That's, I think, how a lot of people find artists, and really the most profitable way you can market yourself nowadays, especially until I am done with college and I hopefully am more into the professional world. But for now, I think getting myself started on the internet is definitely a good thing for me to try to do. And as of right now, I haven't really been able to do that too well. I have an Instagram. It's got, I think, a few hundred subscribers, and I've had it for several years. But it's not really benefiting me any. I don't really feel like it's not really doing a whole lot for me. So I've been wanting to try YouTube for a while, because I really think it's great that with it you're able to associate your personality with your brand. You're able to speak for your art, and you're able to kind of show how it's done, show your process, and just I think it's really great that we're able to show people now who we are and what our art means and how we get to it and all that sort of thing. So there's definitely that aspect of it. I want to show you what I do, and murals are not a typical thing for me to do. Mostly I work with, I do digital art, though I still don't feel quite as confident in my digital artwork as I do my traditional stuff, but I am getting better and better with it, I feel. But yeah, I'm an illustration major. That's important to know about me, I think. And I am taking a lot of interest in fashion illustration right now, though I haven't really been able to dip my toes into it too much. I'm really just starting, but fashion is something I've been interested in a long time. Oh, and also, back to me painting the mural, I'm starting to put the highlights on now, which those are actually just done with the same pastel pink that's on just the back of the wall, just if you're curious. But anyway, yeah, I do a lot of I do lots of things. I do watercolor, I do colored pencils, I do just regular graphite pencil drawings, paintings. I really like to try out lots of different things, and I enjoy lots of different forms of art, but I also do really enjoy creative writing. As I mentioned previously, I really enjoy music, I enjoy singing. I'm really into horror stuff, so you're probably going to be seeing a significant amount of that sort of thing from me. I'm not sure how exactly I'm going to incorporate that. Basically, I want to take all the things that I enjoy to do, all the things that I would like to share, and put them out there. And this is the space that I think I'm going to be able to do that. And so, you know, I really hope that people can find enjoyment in watching me do these things. And I can get your feedback, and I can grow from it myself, which is very, very important. And I'm not exactly sure what my plan is going to be. I had a video that I was going to be working on, that I've been kind of working on in the background, but that project has been, you know, it's been hard to get to since I've had so many projects for school, but it seems like I might have some more time now that, you know, the whole situation is going on. And but I'll try to keep up with it as much as I can. All right, so we're coming close to the end here in the kind of the final reveal, I guess. But hopefully you don't mind me rambling like this too badly. And I hope you kind of got an idea of what I'd like to do with this channel. Hopefully I'm able to show more of what I do and kind of introduce you more to who I am and that sort of deal soon. But hopefully you enjoyed this, you enjoyed me working on this, and maybe learned a little bit, or I don't know, something. So, yeah. Now that I am back to my current hair color and length, and now with the cat, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you got something out of it. But the music that was used in this video is by Mew or Muji, and he is so, like, he deserves way more credit than he gets. So his music is free to use, and it is beautiful, and I'm such a big fan. So definitely check him out if you are interested. And yeah, if you like this video at all, you know, if you wouldn't mind subscribing. It might take me a little while to make anything else. I really can't promise anything right now, but hopefully there will be bigger and better things to see soon. So yeah, that's just about it. Thank you for watching. Oh.